All right, so back again with another video. Now, a lot of you have been hearing about Pi Network, and in short, Pi Network has, how do I put it this way, been popular amongst African countries, especially with Nigerians, and it was given the same vibes as the Billion Coin, which is TBC back then, and back then with TBC, that was like, after my interaction with Bitcoin as a payment system, using it for payment subscription, I had to, like, since I missed out with Bitcoin, let me start with TBC. But along the journey, one thing I can say is I thank TBC for, taking me the path of, looking in, because of TBC, it made me to, like, let me see this thing for myself instead of listening to the TBC creator, and his shenanigans. And that was how I started, creating coins, listing coins on exchange, and it dawned on me that it wasn't rocket science in the first place. So today I decided to, like, check out PiCoin, because all this while I've been listening to Pi and seeing people buying Pi when it's not in the market, it's giving me the same TBC vibes. So I decided to ask Grok, which is the AI of X, so that he can explain to me what Pi and Pi network is. So already you know that pi is the mathematical constant representing the ratio of second circumference to it. Let's just ignore what pi is. We all know what pi is, 22/7 in mathematical terms, okay? All right, let's go to pi network, okay? Because it's very important we understand this, and the people who are buying pi understand this, so that they can ask the real question, which is, why hasn't this project gotten to the market yet? So they say Pi Network is a blockchain-based cryptocurrency project that aims to make cryptocurrency mining accessible to everyone, particularly those without access to expensive mining hardware. Okay? Sounds familiar with what we currently have now with projects on Ton Network and projects that are, using Telegram. Sounds familiar? All right, let's continue. So the mining mechanism, okay, involves daily checking, security circles, rows, blah, blah, blah. So the current status is that Pi Network is currently in its enclosed mainnet phase, where Pi cannot be transferred out of the network or traded on exchanges. This phase requires users to complete KYC, okay? And the project has plans to have for an open network phase where external connectivity will be allowed and potentially enabling trading broader use of Pi. The criticism most times is that it's given the vibe of a Ponzi marketing scheme. And the technology, they say, uses Stellar consensus protocol for its blockchain consensus mechanism, okay, instead of the Bitcoin energy intensive proof of work. So let me explain. Proof of work means you have to use computing power and electricity, like the electricity that powers your computer, and use the computing power to solve complex mathematical problems that will now solve, things to verify transaction and stuff like that, and you get Bitcoin in return. In this case, it's a consensus, which means it has to do with a group of people in a network that, those kind of consensus thing, or what you have now with Ethereum as using proof of stake, where you have to, like, stake some Ethereum to be a validator, then you now, validate transactions on the network. So Pi Network continues to be a topic of debate, with enthusiasts hopeful for its potential to democratize cryptocurrency, while skeptics question its legitimacy and future. As of now, without an open net, Pi coin holds no market value, and all claims regarding future value are speculative. So I had to read this last part out because of people who are using their life savings to buy Pi. Pi has no actual market value, and claims of future value are speculative. Which brings me back to the scenario that made me to move from TBC to creating my first cryptocurrency, which is the TBC MAT token. The TBC admin kept saying that time that TBC is not like Bitcoin, that TBC is going to change the world, make people rich, blah, blah, blah. But how can people extract value from the coin if there is no market for them to trade and buy the coin to actually track the price? And when when I went and created my own cryptocurrency TMT back then, which is still available in the market on Ethereum network, okay, which is currently named the MAT token, okay, what I observed is that it wasn't rocket science for you to launch the crypto and list your coin on the market. You can choose to go the decentralized way, or you can choose to go the centralized way if you have the finances to go the centralized way. And if you have the community, just like TBC have the community and Pi have the community, you won't be worrying about traffic on the exchanges in terms of trading volume. So, and right now, this ideology of Pi is what projects on Ton Network are running on. We come, we play games, we do social activities, we do daily check-ins, we do on-chain transactions, and at the end of a period, and after a period of time, you are given, after doing those tasks for a period of time, you are rewarded with tokens. And now this same strategy that they have here has moved on to GameFi and other things. So what is holding Pi to launch in the first place? What is holding Pi? Because what they are saying that they are offering that is going to democratize cryptocurrency by making sure that anybody can mine crypto, anybody anywhere can mine cryptocurrency. It's already happening with different cryptocurrency projects on Ton Network, whether it's game airdrops or exchange airdrops, or people are mining coins on their phone by doing daily activities or in-game activities and what have you. So what is holding Pi from launching when other people are already doing what the project is all about? All I have to say is this: invest wisely. If you can go all in on Pi, please try to go all in and have other cryptocurrencies, which is the mistake I made then, because I went all in on TBC. And by the time I realized that, opened my eye, I realized that, hey, I missed out on Bitcoin because of this. So, but if you cannot go and get yourself involved with the top coins because you feel they are expensive, then buy a Logio coin that is backed by those top coins. All right? Anyway, that's it for this video. If you have your own opinion, let me know in the comment section. But hey, I didn't make up this information. I got it from Grok, which summarized the information on the website of Pi and people's opinion of Pi. Thank you guys for watching. Till I see you guys next time. Bye for now.